Hi there, I'm Luke Meddings, and this is the third of our sessions on modeling Unplugged for gallery teachers. In this session, we're going to look at how focusing on learner lives and learner language can add new dimensions to language teaching for us as teachers and for the learners. We're going to be looking at examples taken from items from my family's past, something that I came across on a meditation app, some Japanese paper flowers that I used to have as a child, and to think about how, by really paying attention to learner lives and learner language, our students grow into the classroom experience as whole people. So I hope you'll join me. I'm looking forward to it.